Do you have a herniated disc, back spurs, or are you in need of back surgery? If you answered yes, there's no better place to turn than the Bonati Spine Institute. It is widely recognized for innovation and excellence. Joining us now is Dr. Alfred Bonati, the CEO and Chief Spine Surgeon at the Bonati Spine Institute. Good to have you here, Doctor.
Thank you.
What makes the Bonati Spine Institute so special?
Well, it's an institute that for years and years innovated procedures that today they are in the market as routine for the surgeons to perform. We start with initially in this community, nobody, when I came to the area, was doing arthroscopic knee surgery. We start with that procedure. Then we develop procedures for the shoulder surgery. Then we develop procedures for the wrist, for the hip, for the ankle, and all these procedures were developed at the Institute. And then, because of my training in neurosurgery and orthopedic surgery, I decided to look at the spine. And we are extremely successful. So that's what the Institute is a very special place.
How do you treat these spine issues? Because a lot of people have problems with their backs.
Well, if you really look at the family physician, around from 10 patients, 7 patients have back and neck problems or associated problems. If you have a neck problem, you probably will be complaining of your shoulder or your hand. If you have a problem with your back on the lumbar spine, then you will be probably complaining of your hip or your knee. Then those problems are so frequently seen by family practitioners, and they are being treated with drugs. So they need to have a better diagnosis. And today, thanks with the resonance, the magnetic resonance, and new tools in the market in medicine, they allow us to be more thorough and more clear on the diagnosis.
And how do you explain the fact that Bonati has so much success? The success rate is incredibly high.
Well, you need to understand that everything goes with experience. If you are going to do 3 surgeries a month, then your success rate is not going to be good. Remember, we have 45,000 and more than 45,000 procedures performed. That indicates that we tackle every problem and every type of a difficult case in a spine. So that gives us the experience. That's why it's so special, and that's why we're so successful.
And you have a patented procedure that you do.
Yes, we were lucky enough at that time, there were years where the physician will discover something and will be able to patent the procedure and the instrument. Then later on, the laws change. And when those laws change, the physicians cannot patent the procedures.
Right.
They need to patent the instruments.
Well, I'm amazed at the fact that the success rate is just so very high, and I know you've got a lot of happy patients out there that are feeling like new people after they've had a procedure done at Bonati. So thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you.
You can get more information by going to bonati.com, or you can call them at 1-855-267-0482. Dr. Bonati, thank you again for coming in.
You're very welcome.
We'll be right back.